So last when we worked on this file, we used AutoCAD's standard or default paper size or layout, right? You can go ahead and change this, or maybe make a new layout, which will get us back to that standard layout, which is 11 by 8.5, or default layout, I mean. Okay, so our project, our Solar Gallery project, is going to use a paper size that is 17 by 11. So we're going to have to change this layout. To do so, if you could go up to the application button and open up print. Oops. And select page setup. So go to the application button, print, and then page setup. I keep losing this. Oh, there it is. When you do so, a page setup manager will pop up. Okay, so right now we are in layout 2. Layout 1 is the previous one that we had. We're going to use layout 2. We could always create more layout spaces as well. Okay, but layout 2, let's modify it. When we modify it, page setup layout 2 dialog box will pop up. This is where we could already set some of the default, or set the setting that the AutoCAD will print to. So since we're going to go to the AutoCAD PDF, always go to the AutoCAD PDF and not straight to a physical printer. We'll select that as the plotter name. And then paper size, we could go ahead and select ARC or ANSI Expand B, or there is a ANSI Full Bleed B, okay? Or there was ARC, nope, I guess there wasn't. I don't know why ARC B is not showing up, but anyways. It is not a bad idea to just choose the either ANSI Expand B or ANSI B, because it will come with the little printable area, right? If you know that your printer can handle a full bleed, then go ahead and select the Full Bleed B. But otherwise, select the ANSI B or Expand B, and that would show up as 11 by 17. Okay. And what to plot is layout. Scale is 1:1. And right now, if we go to the 7BLK, that'll always be saved as your setting. Okay. This is going to be a landscape format, so we could keep that as landscape. And let's see the plot options. We're going to plot line weights, plot transparency, plot style, everything. Yeah, that looks all right. Okay, so if we're finished with the setup, go ahead and set OK. Close, and our paper has become this little bit of a bigger item here, right? Before it was 11 by 8.5. Now it is 11 by 17. So this layout paper is set in AutoCAD setting where it's just plot down where it is. We can specify where to print this, or we could specify where the paper goes. So what I usually like to do is to go to the home button and then select the rectangle tool, and let's just do something out here and specify at 17, 11, 17 wide, 11 high. And there is the 11 by 17 piece of paper that we would select. And change this to my 0 layer just so that it's there. And we would be able to move this printable area to this area. Okay. To do so, go ahead and select plot. So file, plot, or type in plot. And this time, instead of layout, just select window. Now when you select window, it's going to ask us where do you want our printable area to be. So we're going to select one end of our new paper dimension and the other corner. Once you do so, it's saying that it's edged to one side, so center the plot. And then go ahead and apply to layout. If we preview it, the new paper space is there. Escape, and just say OK, and we'll just save this. Well, I guess we don't have to say OK. So apply it, and we could cancel it, or we could print it. Okay, so there is the new area of printing.